Have you ever imagined having the power to capture anyone's attention, not because of what you have, but because of who you are? Today, I'm going to unveil hidden secrets in Stoicism that will naturally make people prioritize you. Are you ready? Delving into the vast universe of modern communication, we encounter a society submerged in the information age. Every corner, every click, a deluge of stimuli that seems never-ending. The smartphone, carried by many in their pockets, has become a window to the world but also a stage where many yearn to be the main star. Social media has amplified this thirst for attention and recognition. Photos, videos, likes, shares, it all seems to revolve around seeking that approving glance, that praising comment. And here lies the dilemma. In a world where everyone wants to be seen and heard, how do you truly stand out? How do you not just become another face in the crowd, but someone who genuinely leaves their mark? This is the challenge of our age, to win genuine attention amidst all the noise and distractions. And that's what we're discussing today. In Stoicism, we find a powerful compass for prioritizing in life. And it all begins with the simple, yet profound act of knowing oneself. Take a moment and ask yourself, who am I truly? What are my deepest values? This journey of self-awareness is key to not getting lost in the sea of the world's expectations and noise. Now, consider the difference between being noticed and being valued. Being noticed is easy, just post an intriguing photo or a catchy phrase. But being valued, that's the real challenge. It stems from a deeper connection, from what you stand for, from the values you radiate. Here enters a fundamental principle of Stoicism: focus on what's within your control, and accept what isn't. This means instead of exhausting energy trying to impress everyone, focus on being genuine and living in alignment with your values. You can't control others' opinions, but you can control your actions and choices. And that's where true power lies. Now, I'll list the areas of your life you have total control over and can improve starting today. Self-awareness. Discover your true passions and strengths. Self-awareness is the foundation. More than an inward journey, it's about reconnecting with your essence. It's not just about knowing what you like, but digging deeper to discover the passions and strengths that truly move your soul. When you understand who you are, you can navigate a clearer and more assertive path in life. Finding your true passions is like having an internal compass. They become the guiding force in your decisions, choices, and actions. These passions are often buried under layers of fears, doubts, and insecurities. By identifying them, you not only recognize what ignites you but also better understand your deepest motivations and desires. Similarly, recognizing your strengths isn't just about ego or self-affirmation. It's an honest comprehension of your innate talents and abilities. When you grasp what you naturally excel at, you can leverage these strengths in all areas of life, creating opportunities and overcoming challenges with genuine confidence. Aligned action. Act according to your principles, not just for attention. True aligned action stems from coherence between your beliefs and actions. It's not about chasing the spotlight or pleasing the audience, but about acting in alignment with your values and principles. When your actions mirror your inner truth, they resonate more authentically and powerfully. Aligned action isn't just task execution or chasing superficial achievements. It's the pure manifestation of what you value and fundamentally believe to be right and true. In a world saturated with stimuli, where fleeting popularity and attention are often celebrated, it's easy to be swept away and stray from what's genuinely important to you. However, acting in alignment with your principles is like having an inner beacon. It guides you through storms, uncertainties, and societal pressures. When you act in alignment with your values, there's a transparent congruency, an authenticity that's easily perceived. People tend to respect and trust those who show consistency in their actions and words. This alignment signals integrity, a rare and valuable trait in today's society. Furthermore, the relentless pursuit of attention can be exhausting and often fruitless. Recognition of being genuine, on the other hand, is more enduring and fulfilling. The attention gained from authentic actions is rooted in mutual respect and genuine admiration, not just novelty or sensationalism. Clear communication. Learn to express your thoughts and feelings genuinely. Communication goes beyond words. It's about connecting and sincerely expressing your thoughts and feelings. When you master genuine and clear communication, you build bridges, not barriers, making interactions richer and more meaningful. Clear and genuine communication is an art, but also a crucial skill for any successful relationship, whether personal or professional. In our digital age, where short texts and messages prevail, we often lose the essence of deep, real communication. The ability to genuinely convey our feelings and thoughts needs continuous cultivation and refinement. Clear communication isn't just about being understood, but also understanding. It requires active listening, patience, and empathy. When you communicate genuinely, you show respect for the other person and validate their feelings. This encourages reciprocity, establishing a cycle of mutual understanding and trust. Additionally, being genuine in communication prevents misunderstandings and unnecessary conflicts. How many times have situations been complicated by poorly chosen words or misinterpreted messages? By being candid and transparent in your words, you narrow down the room for doubts and ambiguities. Another vital point is that when you communicate authentically, you're also reaffirming your identity and values. In a world where many hide behind masks and filters, showing vulnerability and realness is refreshing. People are drawn to authenticity, and when you express yourself honestly, you attract those who value and respect your truth. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. The next step to being noticed is presence. Be truly present in interactions, and actively listen. Being present is a gift in itself. It's not just about being physically somewhere, but about diving in fully, listening closely, and feeling every moment. When you are truly present, you value the interaction and create deeper connections. In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, true presence has become rare. Often, even when we're physically there, our minds are wandering, thinking about the next task, checking our phones, or lost in past worries or future anxieties. Yet, the beauty of life lies in the moments, and by not being fully present, we miss out on that magic. Being present is a form of respect. It means you're giving your full attention to someone or something, acknowledging its value. When you actively listen, you're not just hearing the words, but also observing body language, catching emotions, and understanding intentions. This kind of listening creates a safe environment where people feel heard, validated, and understood. Moreover, true presence lets you experience life more fully. It's like tuning a radio to a clear frequency, where everything becomes sharper and more vibrant. Flavors taste richer, sounds are crisper, and colors appear brighter. Every interaction becomes an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect on a deeper level. Presence also has a calming effect on the mind. Instead of being pulled in 1,000 directions, you focus on the here and now. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. Even in challenging situations, being present can help find clarity, understanding, and creative solutions. Integrity. Be consistent in your actions and words. Integrity is the foundation of trust. When your words align with your actions, you become a person of integrity and trustworthiness. In a world of masks and facades, being consistent and true is a revolutionary act. Integrity goes beyond mere honesty. While honesty involves speaking the truth, integrity is living that truth in every aspect of your life. It's the consistency between what you say and what you do, and also between what you believe internally and how it manifests externally. Having integrity means possessing a solid, unwavering internal moral code, and not easily swayed by others' opinions and expectations. It's about being true to oneself, even when no one is looking. It's knowing that at the end of the day, the only person you truly need to reconcile with is yourself. And it's much easier to sleep at night when you live by your principles. Furthermore, integrity builds reputations. People are naturally drawn to someone they can trust, someone who is authentic and transparent in their intentions and actions. In business, personal life, and relationships, those with integrity tend to be more respected and valued. Integrity also serves as a beacon in uncertain times. In situations where morality or ethics may be questionable, having a strong sense of integrity provides a compass to navigate murky waters. By following this inner guide, you can make decisions confidently, knowing you're acting in line with what you believe is right. However, maintaining integrity isn't always easy. There may be temptations to cut corners, to do what's convenient instead of what's right, or to hide behind excuses. But true strength of character is revealed by resisting these temptations and staying true to your principles. Acceptance. Understand that you can't please everyone and focus on building meaningful connections. We can't be everything to everyone, and that's okay. Accepting this is freeing. Instead of striving to be liked by everyone, focus on building true and meaningful connections. After all, it's the quality of these connections that enrich our life's journey. Acceptance is a subtle art. It's about recognizing our limits, vulnerabilities, and most importantly, our humanness. We live in an era where social media often defines our worth based on likes and followers. Yet, it's crucial to remember that numbers don't measure a person's true value. In our quest for acceptance, we often twist ourselves into various shapes, trying to fit into molds not meant for us. We try to become the version of ourselves we believe others want to see. But by doing so, we risk losing ourselves, silencing our true voice, and stifling our authenticity. Realizing that you can't please everyone is a vital step towards self-acceptance. There are billions of people in the world, each with their own views, beliefs, and perspectives. Some of these views may not align with who you are or what you believe, but that doesn't diminish your worth. By accepting this, you free up a tremendous amount of energy that was spent trying to conform to others' expectations. Focusing on building meaningful connections means that instead of seeking validation from many, you seek understanding, support, and love from a few, true ones. It's these deep, genuine connections that provide the most memorable and enriching moments in life. They offer a safe space to be oneself, grow, and learn. By embracing acceptance, you also cultivate a more resilient mindset. You become less affected by criticism and rejections, understanding that one's worth isn't determined by others' opinions. Instead, you start valuing yourself for the content of your character, the quality of your actions, and the depth of your connections. Have you ever stopped to think about what truly enriches our lives? Well, by embracing Stoic principles, many find surprising answers. One of the greatest riches is, undoubtedly, the ability to cultivate deep, meaningful relationships. Imagine not being constantly under the yoke of others' approval. It liberates us, reducing the stress and anxiety we feel when seeking external validation at every turn. And there's more. By living in alignment with our values, we discover unparalleled personal fulfillment. It's a satisfaction incomparable to any external praise or acknowledgement. Because, in the end, true validation comes from within, from the peaceful awareness that we're on an authentic and meaningful path. I'm curious about your journey. Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you like this, click subscribe and join us at Stoic today to continue discovering the riches of Stoicism. Until next time.